Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate WriterAccess for SEO content publishing approvals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating WriterAccess for SEO content publishing approvals, first, navigate to the WriterAccess website. Log into your account using your credentials. Upon logging in, locate the dashboard, which serves as your central hub. Find the SEO section in the main menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the SEO content option to proceed. You will see your existing projects listed on this page. Select the project for which you need content publishing approvals. In the project details, look for the Approval tab. Click on the Approval tab to view the content awaiting your review. You will see a list of articles marked for approval. Read through each article carefully to evaluate its quality and relevance. If you find any issues, you can add comments for the writer. For articles that meet your standards, click the Approve button. This action will notify the writer, allowing them to finalize the content. If you wish to reject an article, click on the Reject button instead. Provide constructive feedback explaining your reasons for rejection. After approving or rejecting the content, return to your dashboard. Repeat this process for any additional projects requiring approvals. Ensure that all content is optimized for SEO best practices before finalizing. Upon completion, monitor the performance of published content through WriterAccess Analytics. By following these steps, you will efficiently authenticate WriterAccess for SEO content. This concludes the authentication process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.